Ano ba to? Trying hard.
Hindi talaga bagay. I'm sorry.
Sorry po. Iba po talaga.
Erase.
Pero pang universe ang level.
Naman.
Ng mga Pinay. Walang ko kontra dyan, ha?
Nope.
Sabi si MJ.
Bawal. Sa Pasig nga, ready na mga kalahok sa barangay Mrs. UH Universe.
Yun.
Naroon sila Suzy, Tony Pet at Arn.
Hi,
Practice the
guys.
wave, guys.
Ayan naman. Ako, kayong dalawa, binalikan nyo ang inyong mga nakaraan, ha? Ayan, good job. At ito naman, katulad sinabi yan dito tayo sa barangay Mrs. UH Universe ng Barangay Santolan, Pasig City! At syempre sa araw na ito, meron tayong mga kapita-pitagang mga judges na talaga namang bantay sarado kay Arn. Wow, kumakadikit si Arn sa ating unang judge na si Kagawad Winnie Cartativo, ang representative ng Barangay Santolan. Niya naman. And of course, we have no less than the First Lady of the United States of America, Michelle Obamshell.
Hello, good morning to our UH Barkada.
Yes.
And I'm so happy to be judging this beauty contest, of course. And as a First Lady, I believe in this saying that for your beauty to conquer the universe, you have to experience your beauty in rivers.
In reverse talaga?
Yeah, I experienced it so many times. And I'm looking forward to seeing all the misses of Barangay Santolan.
Yay! Naku, nakakataas naman ng leveling itong ating beauty pageant dahil nandito si First Lady Michelle Obamshell. Thank you so much, Mars. Ayan. At eto na, syempre, bago ang lahat, ang criteria nga pala natin for judging Tindig Beauty Queen, that's poise and composition, 40%. Talentong kahanga-hanga, 40%. Bet ng barangay, 20%. For a total, of course, of 100%. At syempre, ang ating mga kandidata, at syempre, mananalo, ay makakapag-uwi ng kitchen showcase na bonggang-bongga na pinagnanasaan na ni Michelle Obamshell ang pressure cooker. Yan. Alright, ito, makikilala natin sila. Lipat tayo kay Tony Pat.
Maraming salamat, Suzy.
Wow, where
Eto
are
na.
you? Ayun!
Dito ako sa satellite.
Sorry, hindi ako sanay sa pageant.
Dito ako sa satellite dito.
Nice!
Alright, so para sa ating unang kandidata, umpisaan natin kay Ginang Evelyn Boston ng Doroteo Street.
Good morning everyone! Ang babaeng nasa inyong harapan, nagmula sa langit, bumaba sa lupa. At nagsasabing, simula nang ako'y isilang, nagkaroon ng kahulugan ng salitang kagandahan. From Ganda Salon, Evelyn Bosto representing Doroteo Street, Santolan, Pasig City.
So sexy, I'm so sexy, you, so sexy, 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 so very, very sexy, so sexy, so sexy, so very, very sexy. Mama, tell me what you wanna do. You wanna shake it, wanna move it, wanna groove it, you say whoa, whoa, shake it up and turn around and say whoa, whoa, go move it up and down, say.
Maraming salamat, Evelyn Boston ng Doroteo Extension Street. Suzy?
Alright, at narito naman ating mga judges for their comments.
Well, I think Evelyn is a good dancer, but I wish she had props like, I don't know, fire or, I don't know, chainsaw.
Chainsaw talaga.
To make it more death-defying.
Oo nga naman. Oh, yan,
Because,
pero...
you know, beauty and beauty, brains, and talent all in one package.
Pwede, pwede. Good suggestion. Tingnan natin ang ating second contestant kung meron siya mga props.
I like that, Suzy. Beauty, brains, talent, and chainsaw. Okay, para sa ating ikalawang kandidata, Masagana Street, ang kanya nire-represent. Palapakan po natin ang ating pangalawang candidate, Angelica Trinidad.
Kung kasalanan ng pagiging maganda, ang po ay humihingi na po ako ng patawad. Patawarin niyo po ako sa pagiging maganda. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Should I say good morning to everyone? My name is Maria Angelica Trinidad, representing Barangay Santolan, the Health Department, and also Masagana Street. Thank you. Wait lang. Inay! Andito na po ako. Wait na po sa inyo, Inay. Inay? Inay ko? Nasaan ka, Inay? Bakit mo ako iniwanan? Inay, Diyos ko po. Nagpakahirap ako, tapos hindi kita makikita. May kinita na po ako, Inay. Para pambili ng gamot mo, Inay. Inay, Inay, Inay ko. Talaglang yung pera ko, Inay. Inay, bakit mo ako iniwanan?
Yay!
Nakakaloko.
Maraming salamat, Angelica Trinidad.
Madam
Suzy?
Michelle?
Oh, I think candidate number 2 needs to take her breakfast right now. And and I think she's very talented. She loves to talk to herself. Huh?
At dahil gusto mo ng props, maraming props, may mga barya pa.
So many props, and it's just her on stage. Very good monologue, huh? And I think it's from the heart and it's from real life experience.
Pwede. Back to you, Tony Pet.
Thank you, Suzy. So many props, so little time. Okay, ngayon naman mula sa M. De Leon Street, magpapahuli ba naman si Jennifer Padogdog, candidate number 3.
Good morning mga kapuso. I'm representing M. De Leon Street, Santolan, Pasig City. May kasabihan po tayo, ang hindi tumingin sa pinanggalingan ay may stiff neck. Maraming salamat po!
Bakit ba may lungkot sa iyong mga mata? Ako kaya'y di nais makapiling sinta. Di mo papansin ako sa'yo'y may pagtingin. Sana ang tinig ko'y iyong dinggin.
Palapakan po natin ang ating ikatlong kandidata, Jennifer Padogdog. Judges, Suzy?
Michelle?
I have no words. She's so flexible. I think in her past life, she used to be a folding bed. Very talented. I was so shocked.
Nice one. Tony Pet?
Okay, thank you. Magpapahuli kaya ang Mrs. UH Universe ng Victorino Street, Alma Castillo. Candidate number 4.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alma Castillo, representing to Victorino Street, Santolan, Pasig City. Hindi ko gaano marinig.
Kung nag-iisa at nalulumbay dahil sa hirap mong tinataglay, kung kailangan mo ng karamay, tumawag ka at siya'y naghihintay. Siya ang iyong kailangan, sandigan, kaibigan mo. Siya ang araw mong lagi at karamay kong sawi. Siya ay Jesus sa
Palakpakan po natin.
bawat sandali.
Candidate number 4, Alma Castillo. Judges, Suzy?
Ano mo dyan, Michelle?
Super. Grabe si Mrs. in Red. And I think she practiced her song in front of the electric fan, huh? Because it's shaking. But she's very talented. I love her. All the contestants, all the Mrs. here in Santolan, very good.
Nice one. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you sa ating mga Mrs. Alamin kung sino magwawagi sa ating UH ni Mrs. UH Universe. Back to studio.